Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 18th, 2026. I'm hoping everybody had a great Saturday out there so far. Hope everybody has a great Saturday evening. I hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system moving across the country, your local forecast for Sunday and Monday. Also take a look at the current watch warning advisory map. Also take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for day number 6. We already got a highlighted area for severe weather. And also take a look at the fire weather concerns across the lower 48 as well. So make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and now let's continue to get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got a cold frontal boundary stretching from southeast Canada through western New York State to Kentucky to Tennessee to Louisiana, Texas, down into Mexico. That will continue to push on off to the east. Got high pressure slowly pushing offshore. You got another high pressure moving in from the northwest U.S. coming into the central U.S., which would dominate the area of weather, bringing a lot cooler weather starting on Sunday toward the east coast and going into midweek. Then a warm up after that. We got another system here moving into Washington, Oregon State, back into California, a little bit in Idaho, and also Utah region as well. Nebraska up toward North Dakota also. Alright, now let's move on into your local forecast. We're going to take a look at your Sunday forecast. Should roll out something like this here. As you can see, with some shower activity along the west coast of the U.S., also portions of north coastal areas of Washington, Oregon, Oregon and California coast and the coastal waters. Critical fire weather with portions in Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas, southeast Colorado. Thunderstorms and showers for the Gulf Coast from Alabama to Louisiana to South Texas, Mexico into southwestern Texas as well. Central and South Florida, Florida Keys. Shower activity across portions of Georgia, Carolinas, Virginia, Maryland, D.C., Delaware, New Jersey, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut, Ohio, portion of Michigan. Mixed precipitation up here around eastern Lake Superior, over toward Lake Herod, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, New York State, Maine, New Brunswick, and southeast Canada as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Sunday. Alright, let's move on into your Monday forecast now. And it should roll out something like this here across the board. And as you can see, here comes that cold frontal boundary. Got another one coming in Monday. But we got more shower activity in Oregon, California, and the coastal waters. Mixed precipitation there as well in Oregon, California, Colorado. Got thunderstorms and showers for Arizona, New Mexico, stretching into West Texas, the state of Mexico, the portion of the Gulf, also into Texas, southern Oklahoma. Thunderstorms and showers for central and South Florida, Florida Keys, and the coastal waters of the Atlantic. A little bit of mixed precipitation in West Virginia, New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. A little bit of shower activity along coastal areas of Maine, a little bit inland, also around Connecticut and Rhode Island areas as well, and also New York City. You're included in that as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Monday. Alright, let's move on into the current watches warning advisory map, your location across the nation, and they should roll out something like this here across the board. Alright, we got freeze warnings in effect for Idaho, Utah, also into Colorado, portion of Texas, New Mexico, and also into areas of Kansas, Oklahoma. Red flag warning is also in effect for areas of New Mexico, Texas, Kansas, also into Nebraska, Wyoming, southern South Dakota. Wind advisories over southeastern area Arizona. Special weather statements in portions of South Dakota, portion of Minnesota, Iowa, Oklahoma, portion of North Florida, Panhandle, Florida, into Georgia. Red flag warning for South Georgia and northern Florida. Also got some coastal flood statements here on the South Carolina coast. Wind advisories in western North Carolina, portion of Virginia, northern New York State. Frost advisories up here in Illinois, Indiana, portion of Michigan, Ohio. Freeze watches in effect for Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia. Coastal flood statements up here around New Jersey, Delaware, and eastern Virginia areas as well. Wind advisory for portion of northern New York State. Flood warning still continues for Michigan, portion of Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, also Missouri, Oklahoma, and southeast Texas. Small craft advisory over here around Oregon and northern California. Also from southeast Texas all the way to the Big Bend area of Florida, off the South Carolina, North Carolina coast, and a little bit up here around the northeastern U.S. And also some dense fog advisory on the mid-Atlantic coast or areas as well, around the Rhode Island, Delaware areas as well. Southern Hawaii and Chain Island as well. North side looks good. Some around the Alaska region with storm warnings in the purple. Inland Alaska, we have special weather statement. Purple areas is winter weather advisory, and winter storm warnings in effect for the central Alaska region. Alright, now let's move on into the Storm Prediction Center outlook. Should roll out something like this across the board. This is for day 6. We already have a highlighted 15% risk area from Fort Steele to Oklahoma City, Norman, Wichita, Kansas as well. Alright, that's the only highlighted area so far, but we'll keep you updated for more on that as well. Alright, fire weather concerns. Elevated fire risk from Virginia, North and South Carolina, down into portions of Georgia, Florida, and Alabama for your Sunday. And then again over here in portions of Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, and areas of Oklahoma and Nebraska. And you can see we have a critical fire weather around Dodge City to Amarillo and portions of northeastern areas of New Mexico. Alright, well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. And this is a short one because there's not much going on. Just want to give you the update on this here. So have a wonderful Saturday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.